Hello everyone, I'm Vivek from class 5D at Ban Mai School. Today, we'll present for you about general features of Vietnam. There are 4 parts in our presentation. 1. Vietnam overview. 2. People of Vietnam. 3. Nature of Vietnam. And 4. Culture of Vietnam. Now, I will invite Howling, students from my class, to present for you about Vietnam overview.
Now, let's move to Vietnam overview to understand Vietnam more. As you can see, this is the map, flag, and coat of arms of Vietnam. Vietnamese flag is red and it has the yellow star at the center. And the national anthem of Vietnam is named QUকথC, and the national language of Vietnam is Vietnamese. In our country, there are 54 tribes living together in harmony. And Vietnam is located in Southeast Asia, and it has 63 cities and provinces. Our country is famous for its cities, old town, and beaches. Vietnam has the population of nearly 100 million people.
I'm going to tell you the nature of Vietnam. Today I'm going to talk about Vietnam cities and provinces, the beaches, and some other beautiful places. Giao is a very beautiful city. This province has a lot of beauty spots such as Mount Emperor's Temple and Giao Waterfall. Here are some pictures of Giao province. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam, which has many beautiful places to visit, like Tháp Due, QUকথC Temple, Angkor Wat's Mausoleum, and Thăng Long Imperial Citadel. Hoi An is very famous for its old town. It has a very beautiful lengthened street. Nha Trang nature is filled with the crystal-like waters and pristinely white sand. Here are some pictures of Nha Trang beach. Vietnam is also very famous for Hạ Long Bay. In 1964, Hạ Long Bay was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Have you ever known that Vietnam has the world's largest cave named Sơn Động? Now, Hoàng Anh Chị Em, Châu Anh will present the next part, culture of Vietnam.
Now we'll talk about the culture of Vietnam.
The traditional music of Vietnam is KIểng. The traditional costume of Vietnam is áo dài. People often wear áo dài in special occasions like Tet holiday.
Here's a few pictures of áo dài.
There are some famous literature books of Vietnam, like Hill Tales, When the Lights Turn Off, and My Name is Better. There are some traditional musical instruments of Vietnam like nhị, bầu, and chanh.
Now I will talk about the traditional cuisine of Vietnam. First, I will introduce about pho. When walking in streets, you'll see some people eating bowls full of rice noodle strips and a bit of chicken or beef, and that is pho, the traditional food in Vietnam. This is Vietnamese bread, also called bánh mì. It is only a normal bread, but with a little meat and vegetables. It's not only a traditional food in Vietnam, but many people in the world like it.
Bánh xèo is another traditional food of Vietnam. It is made of grapeseed grain outside and beans from pork, bread, and some vegetables inside. It often eaten with fish sauce too.
That's all about the culture of Vietnam.
Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone. Hello Thailand.
Today we will talk about Vietnamese people
And Vietnamese outside.
There are 98 million people in Vietnam.
The Vietnamese people are very intelligent and kind. Vietnamese people work to grow rice because it is the main food of Vietnamese people.
Vietnam has 54 ethnic groups.
Now here we'll talk about outside. And we are wearing outside.
Traditional costume of Vietnam is outside too.
The children in the outside are very cute.
The female in the outside are pretty and beautiful.
The male in the outside are handsome.
The lotus flower is also anchored on the traditional sword of Vietnam, and it is also the national flower of Vietnam too.
The lotus flower is a flower that symbolize Vietnam as well as the people of Vietnam.
If you wear the Vietnamese outside, how will you feel?
I feel so proud because I'm a Vietnamese person.
Me too.
Wonderful Vietnamese outside. If you look at outside, you will think about Vietnamese people.
I believe that after this presentation, you have understood more about people in Vietnam and the culture here. And you are welcome to our country.
Welcome to Vietnam!